Have you ever wondered if everyday habits can reveal how someone thinks? Psychology suggests that some behaviors may point to poor thinking skills, but anyone can change them. The first habit is assuming you're always right. People who never question themselves often stop learning before they even begin. Refusing to learn something new can slowly limit your growth. Intelligent people stay curious, even when they're wrong. Constantly scrolling without thinking trains your brain to chase quick rewards. Over time, it becomes harder to focus on important tasks. Blaming everyone else for your mistakes feels easier than accepting responsibility, but growth begins when you own your actions.
Interrupting others means you're listening to reply instead of listening to understand. Great thinkers know that learning starts with listening. Impatience often leads to poor decisions. Taking a few extra seconds to think can save you from making big mistakes. Laughing at someone else's mistakes may seem harmless, but it often shows a lack of empathy. Understanding others is an important part of intelligence. Rejecting new ideas without considering them keeps your mind trapped. Every fresh perspective is an opportunity to learn. The hardest person to argue with is yourself. When we refuse to admit we're wrong, we stop improving. Another common habit is making decisions too quickly. Smart thinking often means slowing down long enough to consider the facts. If you stop asking questions, you stop discovering answers. Curiosity is one of the strongest signs of a growing mind. Reacting emotionally to every comment wastes mental energy. Taking a moment to think before responding usually leads to better choices. Not paying attention during conversations can cause you to miss valuable information. Listening carefully helps you understand people and ideas. Constant entertainment without learning keeps your brain comfortable but not challenged. Growth happens when you exercise your mind.
Looking successful isn't the same as becoming successful. Real intelligence focuses more on improvement than appearance. Copying others without thinking for yourself weakens critical thinking. Strong minds develop their own understanding. Giving up after one failure is another limiting habit. Every mistake is feedback that can help you improve. Excuses may feel comfortable today, but they prevent progress tomorrow. Solving problems builds stronger thinking skills. The good news is that none of these habits define you forever. Your brain can grow every time you choose to think, learn, and improve.
One simple habit that boosts your thinking is reflection. Spend a few minutes each day asking yourself, what did I learn today? Reading regularly strengthens memory, vocabulary, and problem-solving skills. Even 10 minutes a day can make a difference. Practice listening more than talking. Every person you meet knows something that you don't. Challenge your brain with puzzles, strategy games, or learning new skills. Mental exercise keeps your thinking sharp. Reducing distractions gives your brain space to think deeply. Focus is one of the greatest tools for learning. Never be afraid to ask questions. Curious people discover opportunities that others never notice. Admitting you're wrong isn't weakness. It's one of the fastest ways to become wiser. Intelligence grows step by step. Small improvements every day lead to remarkable results over time. Remember, IQ isn't the whole story. Your daily habits often matter far more than the number on any test. The smartest habit of all is never stopping your personal growth. Keep learning, stay curious, and become a little better every single day. Psychology shows that intelligence isn't just about what you know, it's about the habits you practice every day. The best part? Every one of these habits can be improved, starting today. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more psychology videos that help you understand yourself and others. Which habit surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments.